What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to make these shrimp cauliflower rice bowls. So let's get started. So we're going to start by making our cauliflower rice. So you're just going to cut off the stems and then cut the cauliflower into pieces. And I use 2 cauliflowers for this. If you want, you can make your own rice or you could buy rice. You don't have to make it, but I like to make my own. So you're going to take your cauliflower and we're just going to use a cheese grater and we're going to grate it on the small, the finer part. And then you're going to, once it's all grated, put it on a stovetop. And I like to add onion powder, salt, and a ton of pepper to it. And then you're just going to turn the heat to medium-high heat and you're going to cook it. You want to cook it basically until the water cooks out and then it's browned on the bottom. So after it's been cooking for about, I would say 15 minutes stirring, it's going to look like this, and that's when you know it's done. And then we're going to make our bang bang sauce after that. So we're literally just going to take mayo, Thai chili sauce, and sriracha. The Thai chili sauce I got was from Winco, and it was in its own little, it was nice because I used all of it. So then I was able to put this mixture back into the bottle. But you could just use any Thai chili sauce. So then once that's all mixed together, we're going to start by prepping our shrimp. So you want to take raw shrimp and then we're going to put it in cornmeal and then buttermilk and then Panko breadcrumbs. I made my own buttermilk by using soy and then putting lemon juice in it for about 10 minutes until it curdled. And then you're literally just going to keep doing this with every single piece of shrimp. And then we're going to put it in our air fryer, at 375, and you're going to put them in for 6 minutes on each side. It always says to evenly distribute, not lay stuff on top in your air fryer. I always lay stuff on top and it's always completely fine. I don't know if that's bad. I don't really care. So then once it's been going for 6 minutes, we're just going to flip them all and then do another 6 minutes. And then after that, they should look like this and they are done. So we're going to just make our cauliflower rice bowls by putting cauliflower down. We're going to use our shrimp. We're going to use avocado, some cabbage mix, and then I like the corn salsa from Trader Joe's, and then your bang bang sauce, and that is literally it. If you guys like this video, rate, subscribe. We have dailyrecipes.co as our website with more recipes on it, but bon appetit, y'all.